I have now added the functionality to run this on multiple cells. Okay, so for example, right now if you want to run it on one cell, you can run it one cell, or if you want to run on multiple cells, then you can select all of those cells and then click the macro button. So let me run it now. I have selected all the cells and I will click run. One thing before I run it, as you know, your file has already lot of formulas and that's why it's very slow, but that's reasonable of having these many formulas. Then it can be a little slow, but you can keep an eye now. Once I will click run, you can keep an eye on how much calculation it is doing. Anyway, that's another issue of your file, but let's run it and let's see if it works. Okay, so right now you can see these data in column B is empty. Okay, and let's see, once it will run, it will populate the data. Okay, so it's running. The first calculation it's doing. Yeah, so you got the takeaway. The second one on McDonald, you got the takeaway. Big W it did not find, that's why it is not there. So because here its credit is there in the line, that's why it has given the income, and again McDonald is here, that's why it has given the takeaway. Now to make it function properly, you can see the data has been populated. So this is what you have been looking for. So my task is complete. Now what you need to do is, to make this really useful, you need to populate the data in column C. Okay, so here I have given you the flexibility that you can use a comma to separate multiple words. So for example, if your interest, for example, have 2 or 3 keywords, you can use all those 2 or 3 keywords in this column C, separating them by a comma. Same like, so for example, salary can be a pay, can be a salary, can be a payroll, can be any multiple of any other text which you like to put. So tax refund, for example, or mortgage, for example. So you can put multiple texts using a comma to separate them. Okay, so my script is reading column C, and if it find any of this text in your column E, then it will bring you the category which is listed here. So as you have seen, the salary has been returned, income has been returned, because I put the credit here as a reference. Okay, so you can put as many texts as you want, separating them using a comma. Okay, so I hope this is clear now. Once you populate this data, then you can simply run this macro, and it will, to make it successful, you need to select those columns where you want the specific result to be returned. Okay, so it will run for all the selected cells and it will give you the results here in column B. Thank you. In case you have further questions, please let me know.